Ciao guys and welcome to this new episode of Coffee in the Galley. If the keel is the backbone of a ship, then the keelson, or in Italian paramezzale, is like a reinforcing spine running just above it. Structurally, the keelson is a long timber that sits inside the hull, laid parallel and directly atop the keel. Its job is to lock the floor's timbers in place and distribute the forces from the mast and the internal load. In full-scale wooden ships, it adds longitudinal strength. In model building, particularly in historical scratch builds, it's often included for authenticity, even if it doesn't do anything structurally. But here's the catch. Most kit models leave it out. It's invisible from the outside and it takes extra time. But if you're going for realism, and especially if you're building the so-called Admiralty or Arsenal style model ship, you'll need it. So yes, it's an internal beam, you'll never see it again, but that is also true for dental work. And we still do it. Cheers!